Hello foodies, today let's make this easy baked salmon recipe. First things first, let's preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius and then we place our seasoned fillets in a baking dish. Now let's make the toppings. In a bowl, put 1.5 cup of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, minced garlic, and some dill. And then we mix them all very well. Next, let's put the mixture on top of each fillets. And then we add some parmesan cheese. Finally, we cover it with foil. And now it's time to pop them into the oven and bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we remove the foil and bake for 5 minutes more. Meanwhile, let's cook the frozen veggies in butter. Now it's time to remove the salmon from the oven and place the veggies on the side. And we're done. Thank you for watching. Please follow us on our socials. Thank you. Bye.